For the purpose of this video, we're going to be displaying the main menu. Basically, we're going to go over an overview of all the buttons and the functions that the main menu has to offer. As you may see, we have different sections here. So we have recent repairs. If you select here, you can see this section will show repairs submitted in the last 2 weeks. Same goes for here for recent orders. Basically, you can see the orders that are created in the last 2 weeks. And then we have reminders. Reminders have a mix of repairs, appointments, meetings, orders. So it's a variety. Basically what shows here, so any repair that's in pending states will show here. Any appointment that's upcoming, that hasn't been completed, will show here. Any open order that hasn't been received yet will also show here. Upcoming meetings and different tasks. So if we select the info, we could just read a little bit more of what I just mentioned. We also have an option here that says update. So here we can update the repair goal. Let's say we want to set the repair goal to 75. We can quickly update the repair goal. We also have different sections here such as repair. This is a quick create repair. We can quickly create an appointment, create an order, create an unlock. We have a priority screen. We're going to talk a little bit about this in more detail. Schedule. So we could create scheduling for our employees. We have a different video about that also. Quick repair. This is very convenient. So we can create a quick repair. Basically just select what type is it. If it's a desktop, can add the information there. So here we're going to do a quick example. If we select iPad mini LCD, it already has some information set up as the LCD, the device, and the cost. It saves time, so it's very convenient. We also have different options such as store mode. If we select this and we type in our admin store code, we can enable store mode. Basically, this is when you have your employees at the store, you want to have this option selected. That way, when they start creating repairs, sales, or anything that requires, like submission, they're going to have to input their employee ID. That way you can know which employee submitted what repair, which appointment. You can keep track of all that. So that was a little bit about the main menu. It's very simple. Everything is accessible. And we're going to go into more details of each. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Feel free to go to the App Store and you can download RepairSpots and you can start your free 30-day trial. You can also go to our social media and view all the content that we have there to offer. We're always posting updates on new releases and new features. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at info@repairspots.com. Thanks for your time.